Okay, so we have 18 days left for Christmas and I'm still waiting on deliveries so I can complete my major projects. So I found this pattern in my stash and I've been seeing this pattern pop up a couple times over the weekend, and I wanted to make that, and I actually started doing a search so I could purchase the pattern. And then I don't know, this morning I woke up and realized that I think I have it in a stash, and the reason I wasn't like 100% sure that I had it and almost bought it a second time was because someone sent it to me. So I found this, and this was sent to me like over a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago. So I found it. It's in a size medium. If I have enough time and my package does not come, I will try and grade it down to small, so that way I can wear it, because I have been going through my house clothes like crazy because the baby keeps throwing up on me or something like that. So I think I could fix that with a full apron. So I decided that before I get into starting another new project, that I should probably do laundry and get some of this flannel washed so I can start working on my pajama pant. And I still have to order the pattern for that. I decided that I was going to go with a different top because I wanted a collarless button-up pajama top because my daughter's is collarless, and I think we're gonna go with collarless for my husband. So I want to get the pants started because the pants the pant pattern that I have now is very similar to the one that I'm going to order. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that in the wash, and then I will finish up some UFOs before I get to the apron. So my favorite type of laundry is always fabric laundry. I swear it takes me forever to do regular laundry, but when I get new fabric, I can't wait to wash it. So my first UFO is going to be an A-line skirt. I actually did a video of me sewing this skirt 2 videos ago. I'll leave a card for it, but this was my second one, and I just needed to add a hem to it and put new to put a hook and eye on the waistband. And the baby woke up, so I had to like rock him to sleep, and that's how I sew these days. I baby wear to get what I need to get done. This is like the 3rd week in a row that I've been home alone with the kids because my husband's been on business trips, so I'm definitely exhausted. And actually didn't vlog every day this week, and I took a day or 2 off because I was just so tired. So here I am pressing my skirt out, and I didn't get a whole lot done in this vlog because I was just exhausted. Usually I sew at night, but when I put the kids to bed these last couple days, I've just been like falling asleep too, unintentionally. So yeah, it's been a lot for me, but I'm going to show you what the skirt looks like just pinned up on the mannequin. But again, if you wanted to see this skirt in its full video, then you can go check that out. It's a simple 1940s skirt. So now we have, what is it, 17 days until Christmas, and the package that I've been waiting for finally showed up, so I got to finish up my daughter's dress. So that's what I'm doing now, working on the neck facing, and then I also turned it from a sleeved dress to a sleeveless dress to match my pattern a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing. So I broke my own rules when it comes to starting projects. In my how I sew quickly video, I said I never start more than 1 project at a time. But since the holidays are here and I just have so much to get done, I couldn't help myself but to work on projects that I had all the materials to work on, and then find a stopping place and then start the other. And I think that that'll help me finish up everything on time. So when everything comes in, I'm just finishing instead of starting from scratch. But definitely I do not recommend starting so many projects at once because it can just become very messy. My sewing area is messy. I'm all over the place. My brain's kind of frazzled, but I'm just trying to get it done as quickly as possible. but I definitely don't recommend doing that. I do recommend you watch that video on how I sew quickly, because it does have a lot of tips that I still use today. And here is my daughter's dress so far. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.